Today I will share with you how to match your search intent for ranking in AI. Now, what I have done is I went to the keyword tool, or you can go into the Google, or we have got this right. So what you can do is let me search best dog food in a Google. So let me see in the page 1, and we have got the people also ask which brand of dog food is best. Now this is the most likely clickable by users. Now here, let me see, it is pulled, the information is pulled from AI overviews, and I want to see where this information is coming from, and we have got the Ziggly. And let me just go into their page, click on visit, and once I visit, take the keyword and go into ChatGPT, and here pull the keywords, use this, and give a URL and hit enter. Now once you hit enter, it's just start getting the keywords from the blog site which they have written. Once you do that, target it, ask it to write an article based on the keyword which it has found, and then you're good to go.